My name is Hamdi. I am 21 years old. I live in Växjö and I'm involved within the Swedish Red Cross Youth Association. I have been within the Swedish Red Cross Association for almost 2 years now, and I'm board member, a new board member actually, but I've also been involved as a verksamhetsledare för en verksamhet. And yeah, I wanted to do something apart from my studies, and I found the Swedish Red Cross Youth Association, and I think that they're doing such a great job and important for young people. So that was my reason to get involved. I have been in the Swedish Red Cross for almost 2 years, and I chose to get involved because I have a big interest for like education and also like engagement. Well, yeah, I think it's very important with young engagement, and that's exactly what the Red Cross does. So that was my reason to get involved. I'm a very shy person, and through the Swedish Red Cross Youth Association, I have been a part of different workshops, and I had to stand in front of a lot of people. So that has always been a fear of mine. Definitely has helped me to overcome that and be better at it. I think it can absolutely matter, no matter what type of civic engagement that we do as volunteers. It all adds up to each other, and it makes an impact more in a larger community. So I definitely think it's important, and for young people, I think it can be very important, especially since you can find your interest, and young people can in that way feel important and in what they do, and kind of feel like they can make change for themselves and do something that they think are important. I don't really agree with that. I don't think young people are lazy. I think that young people are very smart and very creative, and they find ways to do things on their own and new ways to do things. Maybe they're not engaged or involved in the civic society in the traditional way, but I think that young people do things on their own, as I said, and for example, through social media activism and also by volunteering. I would say that you can start small. You don't have to take on a big commitment. You can start really small, maybe in a smaller volunteering project, or maybe attend a community meeting in an organization that you're interested in. And yeah, from there, kind of go on with your involvement. I definitely think it kind of opens the door of learning new things by meeting other volunteers and also young people in general. You kind of get a bigger understanding of what young people think are important and what kind of affects us and how we can make a difference. So I definitely think that it has taught me a lot about the political side of us things.